The Pearl Islands are a group of 200 or more islands and islets lying about 30 miles off the Pacific coast of Panama in the Gulf of Panama. Islands. The most notable island is Contadora Island, known for its resorts. Contadora was said to be used by the Spanish conquistadors as a stop for taking inventory of booty prior to returning to Spain, hence the name. Contadora is a resort island, with many homes owned by wealthy Panamanians. There is a large hotel and other cabins available. Most of the resort workers live on nearby Isla Sarboga. In 1979, the Shah of Iran briefly took exile on Isla Contadora. Domestic airlines Air Panama and Aeroperlas run frequent flights between Panama City and Contadora, Isla San Jose and Isla del Rey. The largest island, at 234 square kilometers, is Isla del Rey, its name probably referring to Christ the King rather than to a secular king. Isla del Rey has several towns, most notably San Miguel. It is easily larger than the other Pearl Islands combined, and is the second largest island in Panama, after Coiba. Other islands are Baulano Island, Buena Vista Island, Cana Island, Casilla Island, Chapra Island, Chita Island, Cocos Island, Espiritu Santo Island, Galera Island, Gallo Island, Gilberleon Island, Lampon Island, Marin Island, Mina Island, Mogo Mogo o Payaro, Pacheco Island, Pacaquil Island, Pedro Gonzalez Island, Puerco Island, San Jose Island, Senora Island, Vivenda Island, Vivienda Island and Viveros Island. The island of Galera has a facade of very tall coconut palm trees and a white sandy beach. Strong currents, combined with shallows and jagged reefs surrounding the island, make navigation near the island perilous. History. 3 million years ago the Isthmus of Panama was created. Until then North and South America were divided by sea. It was the biggest and reportedly the most significant geological event in 60 million years. Prior to that date, as the Earth's plates had begun to join, the Pearl Islands were created and there emerged from the sea. On Contadora Island and other islands in the group, pre-Columbian artifacts have been found. The biggest island is Isla del Rey, where more than 15 pre-Columbian recognized archaeological sites of the Cuevas and Cocal cultures have been identified. However, none of the original population remain. The islands were first occupied by Indians who were wiped out within 2 years of the island's discovery by the Spanish. Spaniard Vasco Núñez de Balboa named the islands Pearl Islands on his discovery of them in 1513 due to the many pearls which were found there. Another Spaniard, Gaspar de Morales, exterminated 20 local Indian chiefs not long after and gave them to his dogs to tear to pieces. The Spaniards then needed workers to harvest pearls and imported slave labor in the 16th century from Africa, whose descendants now live on the islands, particularly Del Rey. The islands were frequently used by pirates in the years that followed and were relatively undisturbed until the 1960s and 1970s, when the building of the resort on Contadora took place, to which the Shah of Iran retreated in 1979. Sustainability. The Chamber for Sustainable Tourism Law Perlas aims to preserve the island's delicate ecological balance. Publicity. The Pearl Islands are a popular location for the reality TV programs, particularly Survivor, the American edition, which had 3 seasons set on the islands. Season 2 of the Israeli version of the program, Season 1 of Survivor South Africa, Season 4 of the French edition, Season 3 of the Bulgarian version, and Ukrainian versions of the show were all set on the islands. Other programs, namely BBC TV series The Real Swiss Family Robinson, the British TV series The Island with Bear Grylls, and the Dutch television series Adam Looking for Eve, used the islands as a location.